Okay, this is the refraction lab with LED lights. So you are going to be getting a set of LED lights. It's in this box called light blocks, and you'll have a green, blue, and red in there. So know that that's there, and you'll have batteries and everything for that. But first, let me talk to you about this color wheel. It comes flat in a box, and it has a handle, and it has a string. The string needs to get tied onto the silver part, and then you need to take the little nut off the top of it, put this on, and screw the nut down. You really want to make sure that it is tight. We're kind of giggling because we've tried this a few times and it's come off and gone flying. So do test before maybe you do it in front of your students. Talk to your students then about what colors they see and what they think is going to happen when it's spinning quickly. And then you're going to go ahead and you're going to pull the string. And you're going to see that you see a white color, okay, a white or beige color. So that is one way to kind of show them that all the colors combine to white light. Okay, next I'm going to go specifically to the part of this lab that talks about color and light observations. It's number 4 on this lab. So you're going to have these 3 LED light sources, and they are going to be combining red and blue first. And it's really important. There's a place for them to make predictions. And what color do you think it is going to make when you combine red and blue? When you combine light, it's different than when you combine paint or crayons. So you could even do that. You could say, okay, combine red and blue paint. What color do we make? Now we're going to combine red and blue light and see what happens. So can we have the lights, please? You'll want to have them pull these caps off, which you probably won't be able to see when I'm doing in the dark. So pull the caps off because I'll make it a little wider. And you're first of all going to turn on the lights and just lay them side by side so you can clearly see the red and the blue, and then go ahead and cross them. And what color do you see in between? So we've got the red and blue. It's kind of making a purple magenta color in between, and I know you can't see it from your angle, but you'll be able to see it when you do this at home. And then next you're going to combine red and green, and I would have them predict what color they think they're going to see. And when we combine it, we really find out it's an orange color in between. Okay, and then we are going to combine green and blue. And it ends up making kind of a light blue. The second part of this experiment then will be what will happen if we combine all 3 colors. And I had kids last year who predicted it would be white. I had kids who predicted it would be black and insisted it would be black. So they're going to turn on all 3, and they are actually going to make them overlap. And it actually does make a very light, it almost looks light blue in here, but the darker you can have your room, the more true it's going to look as a white color when you combine all 3 of those.